the farm today. I need to do some spraying. I'm welcomed by the capsicums having turned green. This is a very good sight. Noting where we have come from, all the leaves had turned yellow. They were drying out. Now the plants are green. You can see even small fruits coming up. Yeah, I'm just thanking God. Remember, all of the leaves were looking like this to some extent. And then new sprouts started coming up. That's why I took care of them. I decided not to do away with them. So I continued to manage them. And here we are. This is good looking. You can see even some big capsicums. Look at this. Oh wow. Look at this one. This is quite a big one. They were all sprayed last week. Oh wow, there are many more. This is very good progress. I'm grateful this far that you are coming. What is happening? It was a struggle, but I'm grateful thus far. I'm really impressed. Oh wow. This is a good thing. Thank you, Lord. Oh, look at the size of this one. This is a very good size of fruit. I'm truly grateful for the change that is happening. The capsicums, I was already giving up on them, but then just by the small sprouts, short sprouts like this one started emerging. That was the encouragement for me to try and manage them. Now see what is happening. This is quite good. So all I need to do is continue to manage them well, provide them with the necessary nutrients, that is basically water, and till for them. I think it's been several weeks since the area was tilled. I think I was the last one to do it a month ago. So it's to continue trying taking care of them, but this is good. This is quite good. I am so impressed. If this is the first time you are watching my video or visiting my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button below and click the bell button to turn on the notification. Orange trees are flowering. Some of the flowers are already drying up. Actually, they're not drying up. They're peeling into small fruits. Oh wow. So that is what is happening. They're peeling out into smaller fruits. Oh, I see. That is how a flower turns. Like this flower on the inside, the bud will become the fruit. It turns out to be something like this. Nice. Then in that case, this will have too many fruits. I think it needs to be managed early otherwise the tree will fall. Let's see how it goes. Let me give it some time. This one will serve an example for the rest.